Gamers, what do they smell like? Many people would say Doritos, Mountain Dew, or just straight up BO. But no, no longer. We have officially got fragrances for you gamers and you professional gamers out there. Stick around and see what they are like in this video. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, like I have mentioned, we are looking at fragrances that are meant for the gamers out there. You raw, passionate powerhouses out there. You spend 8 to 10 hours a day training hard behind your computer screens and behind your keyboards to become the best in the world at Fortnite, Call of Duty, and other things that people play, like Clash of Clans as well. I know there's actually quite a big competitive scene around that. Now, if you ask most people what a gamer smells like, they will say something horrible like Doritos, Mountain Dew, or BO, or just a cesspool. But no longer. I have found fragrances meant for you out there. Little backstory to why this video has come around. I was doing a comparison video for my Avon clones video. I actually stumbled across these scents called Full Speed, or this line called Full Speed. Had a little look, and I realised that Avon do scents specifically for gamers. How great is that? I've seen shoes for gamers, we know there's food for gamers, and now we have scents and fragrances for gamers. So I thought I'll give them a little dabble, see what they're like, see if they're any good, and see whether or not they'll be able to mask that horrible scent that everyone associates with sweaty teenagers behind a computer screen. So we have two here. We have Full Speed Virtual Adrenaline. So that's for you virtual gamers who play with your big ass goggles that weigh about 50 kilos and weigh your head down to the ground. And then you have your traditional Full Speed gamer. These are like for your controller freaks or your keyboard warriors out there. We'll take a quick look at both of them, see what we think, and see if they're actually any good. So here we go. We will start with the Full Speed Gamer and see what it's like. Now, these are Avon fragrances, so just going to put it out there, I'm not expecting anything ridiculous, alright? So don't get your hopes too high. So here you go. You've got your line, name of the flanker, brand, concentration, and your general legal mumbo jumbo in like 60 different languages. It does say on here that actually it supports alternatives to animal testing, which we all love, and that's the size 75 mils. So let's crack this baby open. Now, going by my Attraction Man opening video, Avon fragrances are bloody hard to get into. So here we go. Whoa. Upside down. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Wow. It looks like a bloody pill. Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. It's not the most glamorous looking bottle, but you're a gamer. You don't mess around with that sort of thing. You're a professional. You don't waste money and time dealing with the way something looks. This is a waste. Why would no? Don't do that. We don't bother with that. We're professional gamers. So here's the bottle. Not a lot actually going on at all. You've got your brand, line, flanker, and your general sticker down there. Batch, I actually have no idea. That is really difficult to see. So we're not going to have a batch code for this video. So that's the lid. That is cheap plastic. Like I said, we're gamers. We don't mess around with that boring old consumer rubbish. There we go. The bottle, I can't actually lie, even though the shape is actually quite ugly and stupid, like the feel of the coating on the glass is actually really nice. So if they could have done a bit different bottle, that's if it will change the shape. Here's the atomizer. Wow, okay, hold up. That is actually really nice. Straight out the gate, I'm getting like a citrusy zestiness from the fragrance. It is fresh, it is light, it is summery. It reminds me a little bit of Lacoste Blanc L1212 because that's got the same sort of punch in with the citrusiness. That is actually quite nice, I won't lie. I'm quite surprised by that because I don't actually have any notes on what this fragrance was meant to smell like. Don't get me wrong, it's not a showstopper, you're not going to smell absolutely unique, but that's quite light and refreshing and really nice. It smells a bit shower gel like, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't smell soapy, but it smells sort of like that generic, you know, shower gel that you get at Christmas, which is like summery and all. But overall, quite impressed by that. That is really nice, light and airy. Definitely very different to the Doritos and Mountain Dew. So we will give that a good thumbs up from me because that's what we don't want. We don't want the BO, we don't want the Mountain Dew or Dorito smell. That is definitely a lot better. Quite pleasant, surprising actually. Very good. Full speed virtual adrenaline. The same as the other box, you've got your bits and bobs on the front, name on the flanker, brand, mumbo jumbo on the back, animal cruelty free, blah blah blah. Here we go. That opens so easily. A lot more easier than the other two. Why can't they all be like that? Ready? Ooh! We have some window cleaner. That's cool. No, so this instantly reminds me of like Windex or whatever you call it. In America, you know, that blue bottle, window cleaning liquid sort of stuff. Either that or like a blue slushy, like an energy drink. There we go. That's gamer related. Energy drink. Reminds me of an energy drink. This is much different to the other one. So just for comparison, those are the two bottles there. We're keeping the same cap on top. I'm guessing it's going to be a cheap, horrible plastic, just like this one. But we've gone for a more visible, more vibrant colour here, which is actually really nice. Looking at that compared to the Gamer, I am instantly expecting a bit more blue fragrance just because of the colour. Something that's a bit more versatile and can be worn at all times. Quickly, I don't know if you can see that actually. There we go. The atomizer pipe is nice and thick, nice and visible, just how we dislike it. But hey, it's a cheap scent, so what can you expect? Cheap, horrible cap, off it goes. Atomizer, expecting the same here. Ready? Yeah. Definitely a more bluey scent. Got hints of citrus in there, but I want to say something like, I don't know, I'm getting like a citrus and like a little hint of tobacco. But it's quite nice, quite pleasant. I would say that is definitely more of a bluey take on that one, just because it is more versatile. I think it's definitely more of a masculine one as well than this one. This one you could almost, because it's so citrusy and fruity, I think almost a female could wear it. No, but that's quite nice. Yet again, it does actually smell a bit soapy as well. A bit like a shower gel again. Smells clean. But it's a cheap scent. I wouldn't say it's got that much depth. Not overly unique. Quite fresh. And that's actually not what I was expecting from both of them. Don't get me wrong, I was expecting something fresh, but not something so light and airy as they both are. Very versatile, very summery, very citrusy, quite zesty, quite a nice fruity punch about it. Blue, versatile, masculine. I don't know, I'm pleasantly surprised by these. So if you're a professional gamer who plays Fortnite and what's not, these are definitely a good buy. You can throw that Dorito shower gel into the bin. Get rid of those empty packets that you rub over yourself, because these are definitely a lot better smelling than that. I'm really pleasantly surprised by those. They are definitely a good buy, especially for the price. Versatility, projection and longevity I can't really comment on, but because they're quite fresh, a little bit of citrusness, I reckon especially this one won't last very long. Even if it wasn't cheap and it's quite expensive, summer fragrances like this just don't last long at all. But I reckon it'll project quite well in the heat. This is bluer, it's a bit more deeper, has a bit more of those sort of deep, warmer scent notes in it. So I think it will project better, longevity will be better than the Gamer. However, yeah, again, I think you would have to reapply it just because it is a cheaper fragrance and of cheaper quality. But they are definitely not bad buys if you're a gamer. So there you go. If you are a professional gamer and you need colognes or aftershaves, go to Avon, because they actually make some pretty damn good gamer related scents that will make you smell a heck of a lot better than your own armpits. So there you go. Just quickly, if you do want 5ml decants of these, hit me up on Instagram. I will give some away. I'm not going to give these away in today's video just because they're not, anything special. But thank you for watching. That was Avon's gamer related scents, and whether they're any good, yes they are. That was today's video about Avon's gamer related scents. I know whether or not they're any good, which they are. They're pretty decent actually. Don't expect anything that's too unique though, but still very good. Thank you very much for watching, and that has been another video. I will see you in the next one.